Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter number 2, exponents and powers, exercise 2. Okay, so in the last class we have done till question number 8. Now we'll do question number 9. So question number 9, we have to find the value of a number x that when divided by 3 by minus 2 to the power minus 3, then it will give you 2 by 3 to the power 2. Okay, so let the number again be x. So you'll put here divided by x. You know, if division will be changed into multiplication, this x will be reversed. So it will become 1 by x. Okay. After that, when you will write this in the with the positive exponent, then this number will be reversed. So it will become minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3 multiply 1 by x is equals to 2 by 3 whole square. Now, this number will be shifted to right hand side. Whenever it will be transposed to right hand side, this will be reversed. So it will become minus 2 by 3 will become again 3 by minus 2. Okay, the power will be same. Now, when you will solve it out, first of all, if this has a power, the whole has power, it means 2 also has square, 3 also has square, like this. Here also 3 also has cube, minus 2 also has cube. Now you can see 2 has to the power 2. And the denominator 2 has to the power 3 if we'll take minus 1 outside. Now 3 here also, 3 here also. So if it is divided, it will be subtracted. Divide means subtracted and multiply means plus. So here 2 is also divided. So again you will subtract. So here you will get 2 to the power minus 1. Multiply 3. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 3 divided by minus 1 whole cube power 3. If it is even number, the answer will remain negative. If it will be odd, if it will be even number, the answer will be positive. If it is odd number, the answer will be negative. So minus 1 to the power 3, 3 is a negative number and 3 is an odd number. So that's why here it will be minus 1. Okay, so the answer will be 2 to the power minus 1 multiply 3 divided by minus 1. Now minus is here, it means minus is on all the whole number. Okay, and 2 to the power negative is the power, so it will come in the denominator. So the answer will be 1 by x is equals to minus 3. So 1 by x will be minus 3 by 2. Okay, when you will find, but you have to find the value of x. So whenever you find the value of x, this answer will be reversed. So it will become minus 2 by 3. This negative sign doesn't matter if it is in the numerator or denominator. The negative is the whole number. Okay, so minus you can put in the denominator also, you can put in the numerator also, you can put in the middle also, that doesn't matter. The answer will be minus 2 by 3. Now comes question number 10. Here you have to find the value of m. Okay, so again division is here, so you will change first into multiplication. So this number will be reversed, so it will become 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. Now again this is negative, so we have to make it positive. For making it positive, we'll bring it to the numerator, so it will become 9 to the power m multiply 3 to the power 2 is equals to 9 to the power 4. Okay, now this number will come over to another side, so it will be divided. Here it is multiplied, so it will be divided over here, so it will become multiply 1 by 3 to 3 square. Now here we can see that all the numbers are in 9. Two numbers are in 9 and we want to find the value of 9 to the power m. So that's why convert this number also in terms of 9. Okay, so for converting, just write 3 square will be 9 only. So write 9. So it doesn't have a power, it means 1 is the power. Okay, so now when it will go to the numerator, as we know, whenever two numbers, same numbers are divided with the different powers, then the powers will be subtracted. So if it is coming, when it will come to the numerator, the power will become 9 to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, here there was 1. 1 will come to the numerator, it will become minus 1. So 9 to the power m is equals to 9 to the power 4 minus 1 will be 3. So 9 to the power 3. Now here we can see that the power is here m and here the power is 3 and everything is same. So therefore the value of m will be 3. This is your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.